Hi guys! I just realized today that I have so little donut recipes and that had to be changed. So I made these delicious lemon and blueberry donuts. You want to start by adding all of the dry ingredients into a medium bowl. So first add the flour, the baking powder and the sugar and give it a quick mix. In a separate bowl, break the eggs and whisk them lightly. Then add the melted cooled butter and whisk that in. Then you want to add the egg and butter mix to the dry ingredients and also add the kefir or the buttermilk. Now you want to grate in the zest of 1 lemon. Make sure that you are using an organic lemon for this purpose. Then mix everything first slowly folding in, and then you can also mix more vigorously to ensure that you don't have any lumps in the batter. At the end you want to have this consistency and it's quite soft batter, so it's easier to pipe it into the donut tray with a piping bag. But first you want to butter the donut tray well with butter and only then pipe the batter into the pan. Then you want to take the blueberries and add about 5 blueberries per donut. And once you've added the blueberries, you also want to cover them with a little bit of batter like I'm doing here. For the complete recipe and for the baking instructions, please check the link in the description box. Before removing the donuts from the oven, you can check whether they are ready by just pressing them lightly like I'm doing here, and if they bounce back, then they are ready. Allow the donuts to cool for about 5 minutes in the tray before removing them. Then remove them from the tray and allow them to cool completely on a cooling rack. I was using an old form and a new form for this recipe, and that's why my donuts look a little bit different, but I really love how these ones came out. You could even not decorate them, but just leave them like this. I think they're really pretty even without the decoration. But if you decide to decorate your donuts, then I have a tip for you. So I'm using here some melted white candy melts and I'm dipping the donuts into the candy melts. I have used a couple of different brands of candy melts, but this is the best one so far that I found, and I will link it for you below in the description box. I find these candy melts have a really nice bright white color, and also they're really easy to use. They don't harden very fast, and also they spread nicely over whatever you are covering with them. So in this case, the donuts. And before the candy melt glaze has dried, you want to decorate the donuts. So if you're a bit slow, you might want to do it in batches. I'm decorating my donuts with a little bit of dry blueberry powder some dry edible flowers, and some white pearls. I hope you will like this donut recipe, and if you will try it out, please let me know how you like them. Oh, and don't forget to leave me a like for these delicious donuts. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.